Hello friends, welcome to Gizbot videos. We usually unbox or review smartphone related accessories in this channel. Today we have a different product. Actually we have shoes from Xiaomi. Yes, you heard us correct. Xiaomi has launched its first pair of shoes in India and they are available exclusively via me.com. So today let us look at the shoes and how they feel on our legs. The Xiaomi Mi men's sports shoes 2 come in a cardboard box with no branding whatsoever. On one of the side they have a label where they have mentioned the specification and pricing. According to this label, these shoes retail for 4,000 rupees. Actually I got these shoes for 2,500 and you can get after the crowdfunding probably for 3,000 rupees. If you look at here, it is manufactured in China and Xiaomi India has imported these shoes and it has been manufactured in January of 2019. So let us open the package and see what are the content that we get inside the retail package. If you open these shoes, as you can see, I have opted for the black colored Xiaomi Mi men's sports shoe. So let us keep this aside. Other than that, we have a small silicone pouch which is usually used to absorb the moisture and keep the shoes clean and cool all the time. Now let us look at the actual shoes itself. These are the 7 size shoes. You can opt anywhere between I think size 6 to size 11 on Xiaomi India official website. These shoes have a PU and TPU soles which is bit smooth but not as smooth as some of the shoes I have seen previously. As you can see, there is a slight hint of orange color which is reminiscent of the Xiaomi branding, and in the behind you have a small branding, and the shoes make sure that there is no Xiaomi branding on the outside, which is actually good for the shoes. The main highlight of the shoes is the upper material, which is actually washable and breathable. So even if you are wearing these shoes for continuously for more than 6 to 10 hours, you won't be feeling any sort of sweating or irritation on your leg. The entire shoes is made using different material to offer utmost comfort. If you remove the plugging, unique feature of these shoes is, as you can see inside, there is a soft material given so that your foot will be utmost comfort at all the time. So without wasting any further time, let us wear these shoes and look at the comfort level these shoes offer. So now let us wear these shoes. So you have the normal lacing which you can tighten or loosen depending on your leg size. So there is a radium like pink on the lace which will reflect depending on the light source hitting on it. These are the size 7 shoes. As a first impression, these are not the lightest shoes that I have used, but I can't give a verdict as of now because I haven't wear for a longer amount of time. Does look premium for shoes that cost 2,500, and I will share you more information after using these shoes for a few more days. As you can see, the Xiaomi Mi Sports Shoes 2 are available exclusively on me.com in 3 colors: a blue and white sole, grey and white sole, and a completely black shoe. These retail in India for 2,500 and the price might increase a bit after the crowdfunding. That is, these shoes might sell around like 3,000 rupees after the crowdfunding finishes. If you are interested in buying these shoes, go to me.com and you can order yourself depending on your leg size. This is Vivek signing off.